Hey, what's going on, guys? I've got a 2010 Ford Fusion here, and I'm going to show you how to get to the low beam headlight to get it replaced. The one I'm replacing is going to be on this driver's side. So your first step, there's this rubber piece here that you're going to want to move out of the way. Once you get that up and out, you're going to reveal this this little rubber donut thing right there. Just covers on. So you pop that off, and that will reveal to you the H11 bulb. If you get your arm in through here, you'll be able to kind of disconnect it like so. So there's the bulb. As far as actually getting the connector off, there's two tabs on either side. Let's see. There's one. Having a screwdriver or using both hands could be helpful at this time. You could pry into here with a screwdriver, get these tabs lifted up. So there's the bulb, the old one anyways. I've got a new H11 bulb, and I want to be careful not to touch the glass, because doing so will contaminate the glass and make the bulb prone to failure. So I'm going to turn the headlights off. So here we go. I've got the bulb. I'm going to sneak it in here and get the connector clicked on. There we go. You rotate it until it clicks. You put this back on. And then you rotate this back down. And that's that. Of course, you're going to want to check it out first.